Computing and recoding data. Today you will learn how to compute a new variable from a variable you have in your dataset. You will also learn how to recode an existing variable into a new variable. Let's first talk about the difference between the two. When you compute a new variable, you put together a mathematical function of the sort x plus 2 equals y. In this dataset, you could compute each person's date of birth from the age variable. For this, you would create the function birth year equals 2004 minus age. When you recode a variable, you take your existing variable. To each single value it takes, you assign a new value. Let's look at our dataset and assume you want to create two age groups: young, that is, everyone below age 25, and older, that is, everyone aged 25 and up. You would define young as 1 and older as 2. Then you would tell SPSS to assign a 1 to every respondent whose age is less than 25, and a 2 to every respondent whose age is greater than or equal to 25. Let's now compute the variable birth year. Go to Transform, Compute. Enter birth year as target variable name. Then give it a variable label. Year of birth. Click Continue. Then enter the formula in the box on the right, 2004 minus, and then send the age variable into the box. Then click OK. Your dataset now shows a new variable, birth year. If you hold the cursor over the variable name, you will see the variable label you have assigned. Now let's go into variable view and get rid of the decimals because we don't need them. Let's go back to data view. Voila. Now let's recode the age variable into a categorical variable, old young. Go to Transform, Recode, into different variables. Send age into the box as input variable. Define old_young as output variable, and give it a variable label. In this case, below 25 or 25 and older. Send the variable into the box by clicking Change. Now you have the two variables you want to use, but you still need to specify how you want to recode. You do that by specifying old and new values. For old value, select range lowest through 24. For new value, enter 1 and click Add. Then, for old value, select range 25 through highest. For new value, enter 2 and click Add. Click Continue. Then click OK. Now let's go into variable view and get rid of the decimals. Then let's assign value labels. 1 equals below 25. Click Add. 2 equals 25 and up. Click Add and click OK. You can now display the value labels if you want. Here you see. Notice that your new variable contains less information than the old age variable. From the new variable you can tell whether a person is younger or older, but you cannot tell the exact age. The recode operation only creates variables that have the same amount of information the old variable had, or less. That means you can recode age into old_young, but you cannot recode old_young into age.